Oh, how you guys doing? Yeah, so sorry about that. I was trying something. So I'm still looking for a way on how I can stream on both YouTube and TikTok. But then all my efforts are not bearing any fruit, so I guess I'll spend the whole weekend trying to look for a way out. Yeah. Yeah, so today, looking at the price action, I was bearish, and yeah, so it had to do all of this. So it had to do all of this, and yeah, so pre-market, I wanted to see this level hold, so I was watching this Favalo gap. So immediately we tried below it. I wanted to see it hold, and yeah, so I was not going to engage in all of this, but then yeah, it should be doing something like that. Yeah, it should be doing something like that. So I've seen I've seen most people tried going long here. Yeah, so many people are going long here, but then I was watching this volume imbalance, and okay, so immediately we trade and closed above it, so I stopped looking at it. But then it's like, so as I was busy doing the other thing, so it still managed to close below, so that was nice. So I was watching this volume imbalance, so immediately traded and closed above it, so niliacha kuangalia, stop watching it, and so I decided to concentrate on what I was doing. Yeah, in as much as yeah, so next year next year next year I have to man up and have a bigger setup, have a bigger setup, a good setup, so that I can stream on both TikTok and YouTube. Yeah, so I need to be growing my YouTube following. I just feel like I just have the passion to grow my YouTube account. So I guess that's what I'll be doing. Yeah, so if you didn't catch anything up here, don't chase, don't chase. Mm. Oops. So guys, if you're in here, give us a like, okay? Tupe like maze. Give us a like. We are still below 50. Yeah. So like the live, okay? So let's look at the 4H time frame and see where this price wants to, what this price is doing on 4H. So Wednesday we create that high, taking out Friday's high and Monday's high, okay? So can we trust this to be the high of the week? We don't know. Yeah. So this happened. Let's see. All of this is just low resistance. Low resistance liquidity run. Low resistance liquidity run. On the daily we are having this order block. So we are revisiting this order block once more. So how many of you had trade yesterday? So I saw a Kiro traded yesterday. This order block, it tried holding price so many times. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 times. Now there's the third time. So if today we are going to close Kuchini, then we're going to be looking for lower prices. I don't know, but it's like there's a daily fair value gap. You may hold price, okay? So guys, if you can see this daily fair value gap, daily fair value gap. So this daily fair value gap, this candle stayed all these candles stayed wapi below the consequent encroachment of this. So wicks stretched towards the consequent encroachment, but then the bodies stayed lower, okay? So that was nice. So one of the main reason why I was looking for lower prices, Huko, because we did that and price trade back into which level was this? So yesterday, no, it was the 60 star that I was looking. So 60 star, the 60 star. So we had this level, okay? So we had this level. This is a certain new week opening. First presented fair value gap that I was watching all along. Did it really trade into this? Let me just check. Yes, so it traded into this level, so that was nice. And also new week opening up. Friday, Sunday. So this was the new week opening up. Oops, open, there. Open there. Yeah, so just that level. Yes. So yes also was doing that. So you try into that new week opening up, and then boom. This one, the bodies were staying just inside this was it Mondays or Tuesdays first presented fair value gap. So I was watching that. Yeah. So watching that. And we had a nice reaction there. So that was good. So don't chase. Setups will come. So isn't it zile vitu just journal, yeah, and keep them as markups. So something like this. So hizi utakuwa na trade if you're someone who is trading pre-market. So these are some of the things that you can be looking for. That I want to see where the new week opening gap was. New week opening gap. Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. So hii hapa ilifail kufika hadi huko juu. So it failed to trade back into the new week opening gap, but then so it has not taken out this low yet. Kijachukua hiyo low. Ni aje Nyaga, niko poa. Niko poa sana. So we're having these 5 minutes fair value gap. Don't rush. No rush. Let me see. US 30. Trading higher. Yeah, so don't chase. So kama ilikuwa hizo shots zilikuacha like usichase. Don't chase. Just let it go. without you. You'll catch the next one. Unaweza tumia lot sizes. Okay, when using MT5 or when using MT5, okay, using MT5 is really easy. When using which broker? Let's say TraderVet. You can just you can always use something. You say there's long position, something like that. Just put your entry, something like that. Then finya hapo katikati. See there's a create order limit. Then you can calculate everything you want here. Risk. Yeah. So you can, let's say if you want to risk 1%. Yeah, so it's going to tell you you're going to use 1.1. Okay. Yeah. Ama ndo hiyo Odwara amesema you can use risk look for position size calculator. When using TradingView, just do what I'm saying here. Risk 1%. So it's going to give you all of these. Then once you know the unit, so you can execute and then you adjust. Okay, something like that. So sijui kama umesaidika. 13th witness. So if you found that useful, yeah, so don't forget to like this live. And by the way, guys, I've realized my YouTube is really growing. So my YouTube is growing, and we are really going towards the 100 subscribers. So keep the good work, guys. Yeah, so keep the good work. So 100 subscribers. Probably before the end of this month, I'm going to hit around 200 subscribers. Yeah, so that's the goal I'm giving myself. Then from there, everything is just going to work out. Yeah, everything's going to work out. Everything is going to work out. Yeah, so 200 subscribers, and then we hit 1000 by the beginning of January. Yeah, so I want to 10x my efforts. Right now, no sleeping. No sleep for the week. No sleep for the week. Each and every single day, posting 10 posts. 10 posts. 10. 10 posts today, 10 posts tomorrow, 10 posts. I'm going to hit 200 subscribers. Right now I'm at around 60 or 60, around 60 there, I guess, or 59. So if you want to be the 60th person, Lucy Trades is the name. Just go and like. Yeah, so I was explaining that. Let me now remove it. What is happening, Oko? So these 5 minutes that I was watching, we've really traded above it and closed huku juu. So kama setup imetuacha ama ni nini? Let's see. So we've traded back above the 2-day open. So we were in this downturn, and we did that. So if it wants to go higher, then I don't know. Not interested in that. But then let me see, 15 minutes. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? So has it taken out this law? So this was Wednesday's law. Hmm. So hapa akili ifanye kazi, akili ifanye kazi. Tuangalie 1H. So technical analysis. Thursday, Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So guys, if today's if this law is not taken out today, then that means that there's the law. So that means that we are going to look for this buy side liquidity. So if this one is left intact, okay, so if that is left intact, then that's a price, that's a signal that we are going for higher prices. So let me look at the six sister. So hii hapa imefanya nini? Okay, Wednesday. So hapa tumetoa hiyo low. Wednesday is low. Friday. So Thursday has created the low. We took out Wednesday's low. So that's interesting. That's really interesting. Chakava hii range yote. Okay. So as we were talking, mavitu zilikuwa zinafanyika huku. So that Wednesday's law, we've left it. We've not taken it out. So that's interesting. That's really interesting. That's interesting. So I also forgot to highlight the first presented fair value gap. So guys, where's your first presented fair value gap? So that was 930, 931. So that's my first presented fair value gap, okay? So hapa kama kuna mwenye alikuwa na amechukua hizo short, hizi longs like huko chini. Nice. So guys, I want to try going short. I want to try going short. If this level is going to hold, so I'm watching this fair value gap and also this order block. Yeah. Yeah. 10, 16. I'm watching this. If we can inverse it. If we don't, then we are going higher. And I'm also watching this. First presented fair value gap. So guys, there's something called impulse and intuition. So impulse will always tell you, stay patient, stay calm. What you're looking for will just come. But then impulse is telling you, get in. It's going to go without you. Lucy, ingia, get in. Go short there, go short. Put your stop work. So learn to trust, learn to trust in your intuition, intuitive capabilities. So once you trust in your intuition, then everything will just align. Okay, so you'll just be in the momentum, in the ebb and flow of these markets. Yeah, so everything will just be working for you. But then if you rush it, if you feel like you want to rush it, you want to follow what your ego is telling you, go short. Yeah, it has traded into the first presented fair value gap, so it has closed below, so go short. Yeah, people will say that you're the goat, you caught the high. Man, no. Doesn't work that way. Pre-market buy side liquidity too clean. Yeah. So if they're above this level, so you guys know that if it were any other day and I failed to see all of this, then I normally use this level. But then today, using this level always has its rules. Yeah, and so not just any setup you are allowed to use this. So I normally enter here as it turns back into this, and then I normally put my stop here. But then today, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Hizo highs like inakujia. So let's see. See, there's high, there's one. That level is smooth. Also there's high, there's small one, and also there's one. Also very smooth. No sell side liquidity taken out. No sell side liquidity taken out. There's one. Previous day's low not taken out. So if you know day of the week theory, if you're trading with that, then I said if we fail to take out this, then uko juu. So there's a sign that we're going to leave this intact. So that means that Wednesday's low might be our low. But then there's Nasdaq, so huwezi sema maze. Huwezi sema. So guys, we're waiting for 10:30 to find so if it doesn't hit our target before this, then we might look for a pullback. So just if you missed this, you missed this. Just wait. So 10:30 stake jua. Yeah. So I normally say upper. So if I normally missed all of these and I see a first presented fair value gap, so I normally execute inside this, or once it has traded above, then that next candle, my stop is normally here. So that might work, but then today we have the all time. Thursday. And again, Thursdays, we normally trade back into the new week opening gap. So Thursday is normally reverse back to the new week opening gap. Thursday reversal. So today is a Thursday reversal day. So nani ame-execute? Nani amechukua entry leo? Market maker by model. Yeah. So who took the longs, who took the shorts? Long for a nice one, Ficta. That was nice. That was great. Longs for nice. So let me check the Six Sister. What is it doing? Inafanya nini? Shatoa hiyo high. So that buy side, we've tagged it there nicely. Shiny metal. Mm. Ishatangulia. It's leading. What do you think about 9:30 candle CB? So there's one. Just want to see. So what I'm looking for is time. Yeah. So 9:30 there's I mean 10:30 the candle, the vertical line that I've marked, so that's what I'm watching. And so if it's going to, so I'm going to see, I'm just waiting to see what price will do inside this level. So in the next 2 minutes, so basically 10:30, my idea behind 10:30 is simply we are anticipating for a new range to form. Yeah, so either it can be a reversal or a continuation, but then most of the time it's likely to give us a new setup. Yeah, so new setup is normally formed during such time. Yeah, so that you can have a new price range. So for instance, we opened and we've had this range. Okay, so this is the range that we've had so far. This is our range. Yeah, so this is the range from this open to this low. So this is the range that we've had, and during the opening range we've just traded inside this so this since we opened this high 9:30 and also that CB, this high, and we trade lower, and right now in the next 30 seconds we want to see a new range form, either if it will continue, if it want to continue higher, or if it want to reverse. So right now we don't know, but we are just waiting. Nice, like to see support price. So right now what it did here is that we had something like that. So 10:30, so let me just remove that now. And it's like we've swept this high slightly. So we've swept that high and we are inside 10:30. Yup. This fair value gap, you want to see six star. What are you doing? Trade back into the new week opening gap high, so still inside that YM or the US 30, it's leading still. Koju, our Nasdaq doing that. Give me that. Six Sister is sometimes way too clean. Yeah. But then always be careful with it because it might give you an STD. So ever since so like was it Wednesday? Tuesday. Tuesday I did trade S&P 500 and it didn't deliver to my target. So my target was this level, but then it didn't give it to me. So you see this level that I marked here. So I really wanted to see price trade here on Wednesday. Not Wednesday. On Tuesday, yeah. So most of the time it will give you an STD. So see what happened here. So we were trying long, in as much as it gave us something nice here, something really nice. Yeah, we went long, but then my TP was here, slightly at the lower quadrant of this level, first presented favor log up, but then see what it did. So fell short of that, came lower, failed to take out my scaled SL, then just came and took out this high, and then boom. Yeah, so I can recall I ended my life somewhere here, but then I said I was holding those positions, so it did this to me. So when I came back, I just saw that it was gone, but then I scaled my stop, so it was not a big deal. So that's what happened. That's what happened. Ni kubaya. So this level we are watching. So this level is still holding that first presented favor look up, still holding, but then can we afford to trade and close below this first presented favor look up? Yeah. So the fact that he did that, so we had that 5 minutes favor look up, and if it's going to continue higher, I want something deeper. Something deeper. Yeah, so I was watching this fair value gap, trade and close below it, IAVG, holding price, pushing price lower. Three minutes, 5 minutes. Impulse intuition. So these candles are still closing above this level. Pierce. So I want to try going short. I'm trying my luck. So I want to see these 5 minutes. So there's 5 minutes candle. So there's 5 minutes candle. Not good, not good, not good. Yeah, so I wanted to see a deeper run there. And so ting, 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 ting. That 5 minutes candle. Yeah, so even 3 minutes, the signs, the signs, the signs. I'm going long on that mitigation block. Okay, that is dollar bill. SMT on the lows. Okay. Uh, Targeting relatively equal highs and then should go higher from there. Yeah, so this run lower. Today might be a bearish day. Malilux. Siku hizi napiga watu chenga. So many opinions. So many opinions. So many opinions. Hmm. One, two, three, four, five. Strongest relatively equal laws down there. That hasn't been tapped. Rejection of previous day law, inverse 1 minute fair value gap, closure above the downside candle form CSD that should sell. That should see. Send it higher. Okay. We have variety of opinions. So what is it going to be? Nakwambia ni kubad. Tin, 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 tin. So we panicked, and that's the result. That is the result of us panicking, of me panicking, not us. Time. Nakwambia ni mbaya. Oh. Ten, ten, dun, 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 dun. So guys, ilishaniacha. I panicked. Yeah, so immediately we try below this, I entered short, and so nikatoka, and then all of this happened. Okay, so if this was my short setup, then if it's to trade till up to this CB, then I'm not trusting those shorts. So if we close above this level, so if we were to trade lower, then most of the time I'll be treating this gap, break away this gap, price can return into it and then continue lower. But then if we trade till E juu up to E hapa juu, then we know that it doesn't want to go down here. Ooh. Ngomo. 5 minutes. So we wait for 5 minutes. Mm. So guys, I'm trying going long inside that candle. Yeah. So if it was to sell, then I was not expecting for this price to trade back into this level, this upper fair value gap. Okay, so the fact that it did that, that invalidates everything for me. So what happens that this trade now, so this level, so we want to target those highs. Okay, so I just want to target low hanging fruit, so just this level here. So I'm seeing some smooth levels there, so relatively equal highs, but then minor because we are having a major one huko juu. So let me try this let me try this. If this level is going to hold, then man will be wrong. So return into this fair value gap, also on IVG. Inside that, mbona hii kitu ina move kila time. So let's do this. Let's see how this candle closes. So will this fair value gap hold it going high, and then we close above this? So if we trade and close above this, then it's game over, game over. Ooh. So easy markets like of lately they're so stressful, okay? Stressful, very stressful. So I'm not touching my stop until it takes me out now. So if it will take me out, then I'll accept. So that level. So let me now see this 5 minutes candle. Yeah, so that was nice. And it's now game over. Now game over for those shots. So if let's say I went short here and I was trying to deliver towards these relatively equal lows, then this return into this fair value gap, because my stop would have been scaled to this level, I would have been taken out now. So I want to see, can we run above this level? Can we run and can we trade and close above this pink shaded region? Okay. Yep. So let me see the. So let's now watch this fair value gap, and also there's down close candle. So this down close candle still inside this IVG. So this CB, we've tried and closed above it. So we anticipate for this price level to hold price going higher. But then my stop is just going to be there. So if it comes and takes me out, still good, well and good. Not good. So if I'm taken out, I'm just going to close the live, and yeah, so I'll just have to accept that loss. Also, Sorry about the noise. What laptop? Sorry about the noise. So kuna software zingine na run na ni nzito from hiyo laptop ingine, so I hope sasa usikii hiyo kelele ya laptop. Okay, did that na tukubali tu kidungi 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 kidungi. Kidungi kidungi kidungi. Might wait for the PM session, but then first it has to take me out. Aye. Yeah, yes, he survived Majamo. Yeah, so far it's like my first execution was the right trade. So my first execution. So those shots. I don't know, man. But then this one doesn't feel right for me. But then it has to take me out first. No, there's a demo. Thank you, feature millionaires. Your strategy is super complicated. It's over complicated. Yeah, I'm going to try use a simpler one. Ah, indeed, it's complicated. Uh, Stochastic. Yeah, so it's like we're going to try using stochastic and moving averages. We trade smart money and MD. Yeah, so I just want you to now take me out and then we just end the live, maze. We try again tomorrow because at this rate, it's not making sense. Yeah, not making sense. It's not making sense. Not good, not good, not good. Yes. So finally, so hii kitu ni it's just deemed to go huku chini. Kuju maybe later. Wa, huu ni mimi. Huu ni mimi naonyeshwa dust. Taken out. So guys, we tried. Our first execution could have given us something, but then that happened. Yeah. Then our second execution got taken out there. So I'll see if there might be something during the PM session. I'll see if there might be something during the PM session. Ni aje bucha bucha. SMC volume indicator. Jamaa akiona Favaloga hapa hivi jana nasema strategy ni con. Ile pia iko kwa indices this week bullshit. Is a job. Indices will frustrate you this week. Funga laptop mpaka next year. Nimekula 3 L's this week hata siamini. Last time I felt this was in January. Ni mbaya. Yeah, ndo hiyo hadi mimi nimekula L's hapo. Ni mbaya. No? Ni mbaya maze. But then if you're a trader, you have to go through all of these, okay? So don't panic, don't beat yourself that you don't know how to trade. You know how to trade. It's only that it's too, inakula kichwa maze. It's too much. Once you fail to see one thing, hiyo ingine itakupiga kidungi. Yeah. So that was that, and yeah. I guess maze, like, don't give up on trading. Watu wa trade. So journal, blah blah blah, and still hizi relatively equal highs hapa juu. Hizi tutakujia hii high na hii high ni smooth sana. Hizo tutakujia, hizo tutakujia. Acha tuone six sister inasema nini, inafanya nini. Hii pia hizi highs hapa ni smooth, but then sioni kama inataka kwenda huko chini sana. Okay, so nakula else unajishuku ni mbaya. Kwa 1 minute imekosa kufika first presented for Valgap ni Phyllising. That's why price imerudi kwa discount. Nice. Kuna reason hata Steam mwenyewe yako off during deck PA na okay, FVG kwa 1 minute. They don't matter if the higher time frame is trash. But then higher time frame mazee like hatuoni kitu mazee. Market moves. Members wako holiday, tuko hapa tunajaribu. Hey, mi watu wenye wanajaribu wana trade size hata forex markets like nimewashimu mazee, nimewashimu. It's crazy. Yeah, so I guess that will be that. So nitaangalia PM session like during 1:30 and also 2:30. If there might be something, then I might execute if I'll find something nice. But then for now I quit. Forex imekuwa clean. Mimi naona shege, sioni vitu hata sizifungue. Okay, maybe leo like hizo longs maybe kuna mwenye alikuwa ameshika. But then okay. Hapo nimesare. Ni mbaya. Ni mbaya. Anyway, ishafanya hivyo. Watu wa weekly profile. Nice. So imetutoa ndo hiyo sasa like inajaribu sasa kufanya vitu zake. Crazy maze, crazy. Hizi vitu kwangu ni crazy. Majamaa, mi acha nifunge maze niende zangu. Oh, una tradia watu. Hizi vitu kwangu ni crazy. Client amejam, amesema why are there reds? Why am I not seeing the greens? Hizi vitu kwangu ni crazy. Uh, okay guys, so mnaona like usidhani ni wewe peke yako unakula loss. Unaona other traders are also getting their asses kicked, so don't panic. Okay, so guys, let me go now. It was nice hosting you guys, and yeah, so we learn from all of this. You journal, so next time it will be better. Okay, next time it will be better. It will be better. So next time. So guys, see you next time. Maze, mlale poa maze. Mlale poa maze. Yeah. Yeah. So let me just end here. Peace.